Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ezinne here. In today's video, I am going to be trying to sleek my hair down. First of all, let me show you guys what it's really like at this point. So it's freshly washed and I just applied a little olive oil in it and twisted it. And I'll be trying the new Cantu Shea Butter Maximum Hold Anti-Shedding Styling Gel with honey. It also says there's no alcohol, crunch flakes each. That's a huge claim, but we'll see. The first things first, I already created a middle part because there's just something about creating a middle part on camera. I never get it right. It's time to apply the gel now. And I'm going to be doing that in sections for some reason. And that's because I'm putting this product to a test. And I am going to be going all out to give it the benefit of doubt. Okay, so basically going to work in two portions. Keep this off. Keep this off as well. Alright, so now I'm going to take these. So I have this Boar bristle brush and this one. This is really soft and this is medium-ish. So I'm going to be using this one for the very delicate parts like, my nape, my edges, and these lower section. But then I would use this one for the really thick portions that usually need more effort to lay them down. So let's get to it. I don't want to put my fingers in the gel, so I'm just going to use the brush. That's how I like to do it. Take it with the brush. This. Then I'm going to take this pony holder and just secure that portion. And then we'll move to the next. So I'm taking the medium bristle brush and doing the same thing, basically. So far, this is what we have. don't remember the last time my hair was this sleek. I dread putting all my hair together anything because I feel like it's going to be very difficult to deal with, but I've been wrong. Then edges. I'm taking my Gorilla Snot, not Gorilla Glue, Gorilla Snot Gel, and I'm just going. Now I'm going to spritz everything with water so it's not crunchy. And after spritz with water, I'm now going to take my silk scarf and just tie it down. I'm just going to let it dry for a couple of minutes. I'm not sure how long, but I'll probably just go and get my makeup done or not. I actually have somewhere to go, but I am going to be back and I'll let you guys know for how long I let it dry. The time now is 5:15 p.m. and I'll let you know what time when I'm taking it down. All right. I am back and this is 6:15 p.m. So it's been exactly 1 hour since I left my hair to dry, and I think it's really accurate because that's roughly the amount of time that it takes for me to get my makeup done. So I can take it down now and hopefully it is not a mess. Woo! Okay, this isn't bad at all. This is pretty much it, and I think I'm just going to secure the base. So I already have this in a twist, so I'm just going to wrap it around. I can't see the back of my hair, but I'm guessing it looks good, hopefully. So yeah, that's it, guys. I need to check the back of this hair, sure that it doesn't look a mess. Okay, I actually like it, and this is a first because I've never done this before, so I'm really happy that I tried it out. And I must say that this gel kind of lives up to its name. It's not crunchy. I haven't seen any flake inside, but I'm going to give you guys an update of how it looked 24 hours later, and I'm just going to float it up here while I am editing. So yeah, that's it, guys, for this video. And if you'd like more details on this product, I'm going to leave everything in the video description, so be sure to check that out before you click out of the video. So guys, this was worth it, I must say. So that's it for this video. So bye guys, I will see you in the next one. Let me know if you're going to be trying this out, and let's just do a quick recap of everything I used in this video, okay? In case you're looking to style your hair like this. So I used the white tooth comb, crocodile clips, and these are from Cantu. 2 Boar bristle brushes, 1 soft bristle and 1 medium bristle, and Gorilla Snot Gel. Every time I see Gorilla anything, I literally just want to laugh because of Tessica Brown. Water in my Fluorosol can. Not forgetting the very amazing Cantu Maximum Hold Anti-Shedding Styling Gel. And this is about 18.5 ounces, that's 524 grams. So that will be the end of the video. And oh yeah, edge brush. Tonight, cause my and that'll be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys, I am going to see you in my next video.